In this lecture, we'll start writing simple commands. These are the commands that we'll see. The file command displays file type of a file. WC command counts lines, words and characters in a file. Clear command clears the screen. Echo command displays whatever is supplied to it. The date command displays the current date and time. The cal command displays the calendar of current month. The who command displays all users logged in into the system, and the whoami command displays the username of the user who runs the command. Now let's go to the terminal. First we'll see the file command. This command displays the file type of a file. So we have provided this file as the argument and we have written the absolute path name. So the file name is PASSWD. It is present in this directory. etc, which is present in the root directory. Now we press enter. So this is an ASCII text file. We can provide more than one file as argument. So now we have provided 3 files. This is the first one, second one and third one. We press enter. So this first one is an ASCII text file. This second one is an executable and this third one is a directory. In Linux, everything is considered as a file. So even directories are files. This file command tries to determine the type of the file by reading the first few lines of the file. Now, if you want to clear your screen at any time, you can use the clear command and it will clear your screen. Now, let's see the WC command. WC stands for word count. This command counts lines, words and characters in a file. We have just seen that this file PASSWD is an ASCII text file. Let's use this file as the argument to this command WC. We press enter. Now this first number represents the total number of lines in the file. The second number represents the total number of words in the file. And this number represents the total number of characters in the file. And then the file name is displayed. So this file PASSWD has 45 lines, 74 words and 2504 characters. If we use this WC command with -L option, then it will display only the number of lines. If we use it with the -W option, then it will display only the number of words. And if we use it with the -C option, then it will display only the number of characters. We can use this WC command for more than one files also, and it will display the count for each file and also display the total count. So we have given 3 file names and this is displaying the count for each file and also the total count. We can run this WC command without providing any argument also. In that case, it takes the input from the standard input, which is by default the keyboard. So we type WC and hit enter. Now we enter some text. Now we press Ctrl D. So this shows the number of lines, words and characters in the text that we had entered. Before seeing other commands, let us see how we can reference the previously executed commands. To get the previous command on our command line, we can use the up arrow key. So this was the command that was used just now. We press the up arrow key once more and we get this command which was executed before clear. So we can get previously executed commands on a command line using the up arrow key repeatedly. We can use the down arrow key to come down. When we get a previous command on the command line, we can execute it by hitting enter. So if we want to execute this command WC, we can just hit enter. This feature can be useful when we want to execute a command that we had executed a while ago. Or we can use this feature when we want to execute a command with some different option or arguments. I just used this feature when I showed the WC command with different options -L, -W and -C. Now sometimes we may mistype the command name or the argument name, and so the command is not executed. For example, here we mistype the name of the file. The command is not executed properly. In this case, we can just get this previous command by up arrow key, correct it and execute it again. We don't have to type it all over again. Now the next command that we'll see is the date command. This command displays the current date and time. Next we have this command cal that displays the calendar of the current month. Now suppose you want to see the calendar of month February year 2010. So we get it here. We want to see the calendar of 2010. Write this. Next command that we'll see is echo. This command will display whatever is supplied to it. We can use this command to display the values of variables. In case of variables, we precede the variable with a $sign. If this home is a environment variable, this is the value of variable path. This command is generally used in shell scripts to display messages on the terminal. Now Linux is a multi-user system. More than one users can work on the system at a time. To see the currently logged in users, you can use the who command. Currently, only one user is logged in. The command who am I displays the username of the user who runs this command.